Today is my second tutorial. So, yun, gagawa tayo ng program kung saan mag-input ng karakter, mag-display ng kanyang ASCII code, at yung ASCII code i-convert naman to binary code. So, let's go! Input tayo ng karakter. So, char letter equals scanner object title dynamic yung program natin. Scanner sc equals new scanner system in that char letter equals ec system dot in dot read cast natin as character as throws throws IO exception throws IO exception. So balik tayo dito, lagyan na lang natin ng prompt kung saan mag-input ang user. System out print line, system out print enter one letter yung input natin na letter display natin as integer. So i-display niya to ASCII code. So ito yung gagawin natin. System at print line letter casted as integer. So yung letter na yon i-convert naman natin sa binary. So yung gagawin natin is integer dot separator dot to binary string letter sa zoom in lang natin, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. Delete lang tayo ng mga unnecessary na space. So ito yon, subukan natin run. Continue lang natin. So enter one letter, for me J. Enter. J is 106, the ASCII code is 106, the binary code is 11011010. So ito, salamat sa inyong nanood. Good days.